In this video, we will learn about the positive and negative acceleration. So the acceleration of an object is said to be positive if the direction of acceleration is in the same direction as that of velocity, as you can see in this particular figure number 1. Now, for an accelerated motion along a straight line, the motion of an object is speeded up. That is, the final velocity is more than the initial velocity if the acceleration is positive. If the acceleration of an object is said to be negative, if the direction of acceleration is opposite to the direction of velocity, that is shown in this particular figure. Okay. Now, for the accelerated motion along a straight line, the motion is slowed down. That is, final velocity is less than the initial velocity. In such situation, the acceleration is negative. Negative acceleration is also known as retardation or deceleration. Now, examples of positive and negative acceleration. First of all, let a railway train start from rest from a station. The engine applies force so as to speed up the train. Obviously, the acceleration of the train is positive. However, when the train approaches the next station, the driver puts on brake. As a result, the speed of the train gradually decreases and finally comes to a halt. Now the train is being retarded. When a rocket lifts up from the ground, its acceleration is positive and it is speeded up. When a paratrooper opens his parachute, his speed decreases as he approaches the ground. Obviously, the acceleration is negative one and it is called retardation. Acceleration is a vector as it has both magnitude as well as direction of its own. Hence, we can say it is a vector quantity. Now, what is uniform acceleration? So, if an object travels in a straight line and its velocity changes, either increases or decreases by equal amount in equal interval of time, then the acceleration of the object is said to be uniform acceleration. Motion of an object with uniform acceleration is known as uniformly accelerated motion. Now, some examples of uniformly accelerated motion can be like the motion of a stone falling freely from the top of a building or a cliff. Second would be rolling motion of a ball down a smooth inclined plane. Non-uniform acceleration. If the velocity of an object changes, either increases or decreases by unequal amounts in equal interval of time, then the acceleration of the object is said to be non-uniform or variable acceleration. Motion of an object with non-uniform acceleration is known as non-uniformly accelerated motion. There are some examples for this. First is the velocity of a car running on a crowded city road changes continuously with time. Sometimes the velocity of the car increases, while some other times the velocity of the car decreases. Therefore, the motion of a car running on a crowded city road is non-uniformly accelerated motion. Second could be a motion of a railway train or a bus or a lorry from one township to the another is non-uniformly accelerated motion. I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you.